So guys, this is what we did when we figured it out. This here, as you mentioned, the number one is the fuel line. This white one is a vacuum hose that goes all the way over to the, I can go on the other side, to the bell on the distribution cap. So you have a small tab here, which fits that one, and these two here, we just block them off because it goes to the econometer, but we don't have that, so we block them off. You can probably also loop them and put a rubber band or something. This one comes like this factory, that's the bottom one, and this one here, the one in the back there and over there, we just tied together with a T here and all the way over to the brake booster. I hope that answers something. This is what we did. Car started right up, we just need to do some linkage work, and because of the short travel we have here, and then a complete video will drop on YouTube. Thank you.